Hey, I'm Fish. I'm on the Cannondale Adventure 2. I adjusted the seat. Maybe just a little bit more of an angle. And can't adjust the handlebars any more than they have to go. But I am riding comfortable. Feet are on the floor. Moving along. I'm in second gear, what I like to be in. I gotta be a little careful, head around the corner. I'm heading back to the bike shop just to see how the medium bike feels when I sit on it. We call that a peace of mind, to ease your mind, to make sure you made the right choice. So here we are at the bike shop. See, that's a smaller fork, 2.5 inch. All taken care of. I got the new Cannondale. You got it on there. Still need to do a little adjustment, but I'm good to go. It cost me nothing, but they lost the little cover to the cap. Way to go, people. I'm still going to keep my order because of the reasons of I'm still leaning forward. I'm not standing upright like I'm supposed to. I'm not 100% comfortable. But they said if I wanted the adjustable one, I have to pay. Already got one on order. I might as well do it myself. All right, we're gonna head around the corner and gotta be careful when we go. Pothole! Look at this pole, man. Crash into that pole, it's over. I'm getting a little bit used to my seat on the bike, but I do need to get, like I said, a better seat indeed. Readjust my handlebars, and then I'm good to go. I hope you enjoyed this adventure too of Cannondale.